This is the third step in setting up your new SMS-iT account. In this step, we'll upload contacts into the SMS-iT platform to enable omni-channel communication, segmentation, engagement, and more. To begin, go to the left navigation panel and click on Sales. Then click on Contact. Your account comes with a default group, but for this setup, we'll create a new group to upload your contacts into. A group works like a folder for organizing your contacts. It's also the main tool for segmenting your contact lists. To create a new group, click on Groups, then click on Add Group. Enter a name for the group and click Save. If you'd like to enable text-to-join settings, toggle that option. This feature allows people to join your group automatically by texting a keyword. Every group also has a QR code that users can scan to join. You can also assign an AI persona to each group. When someone in the group sends a message, the assigned AI persona will respond automatically. Now that the group is created, you can start adding contacts. To add contacts manually, click on Add Contacts. To upload a list of contacts, click the Upload Contacts icon. Then click on Pick File and select the CSV file that contains your contacts. Next, toggle the Opt-in option. If you want to verify the email addresses in your list using our Smart Email Verification feature, turn that on as well. You can also toggle number lookup if you want to validate the phone numbers in your file. Then click Submit. After clicking Submit, the Import Contacts window will open. Select the group you created, then map the fields from your CSV file to the appropriate fields in the form. Once you finish mapping the fields, click Submit to begin the upload process. Contact uploads run in the background, so you can leave the page and return later. When the upload is complete, your contacts will appear in the Contacts section. This concludes the step for uploading contacts into the SMS-iT platform. See you in the next tutorial.